Photoshop is the most downloaded image editing software in the world. Today we're showcasing our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Actions for 2021. All items featured in this video are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Painting Photoshop Actions by Creative Tacos. Renowned author Winna Effendi once said, "When you take a photograph of someone, you take a portrait of their soul." Well, with this Photoshop action, you can literally turn a photograph into a portrait. This is such a creative, versatile photo effect for editors everywhere. Number 9. Evolution Photoshop Action by iHimalaya. This is a Photoshop action that allows you to easily manipulate images with eye-catching effects such as smoke, lights, clouds, and a range of stunning color grading. It is super easy to use and is perfect for creating CD covers, posters, flyers, and social media content. Number 8. Cartoon Painting Photoshop Action by 2Lagus. Utilize the features of this best-selling Photoshop action to apply glamorous oil painting effects and cartoon-style edits to your images. In just one click, you can turn a realistic photo into a slick cartoon reiteration, similar to what you'd find in animated shows or video games. Number 7. Vectorial Photoshop Action by Oxygen Art. Coming in at number 7 on our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Actions for 2021 countdown is this sharp, vector-based action that perfectly transforms your photographs into vector art, paired with a snazzy background and vector effect. Number 6. Cartoonize Photoshop Action by iHimalaya. Cartoonize is a fantastic resource to have on hand when you're editing digital art for clients in creative, tech, or startup businesses. You don't even need to be a professional designer to use this action. Simply follow the instructions on the help file to create perfectly unique cartoon-style artworks. If you're picking up what we're putting down and have found our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Actions for 2021 list helpful so far, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more like it. Now, let's take things back to the drawing board. Number 5. Ultra Painting Photoshop Action by Supreme Tones. Another painting-style Photoshop action has graced our list, and for good reason. The effects of this transformative action are perfectly executed down to the smallest freckle. It works on both RAW and JPEG images and is compatible with both Mac and PC. Number 4. Destruction Photoshop Action Explosion Effect by iHimalaya. Make an impact on your viewers with this high-octane explosion Photoshop action. It includes smoke, clouds, light, and varying color effects. The best part? There's no need to struggle through the user process. A YouTube tutorial video is provided. Number 3. Hologram Photoshop Action by Sco4. This futuristic effect will leave your images with a video game or sci-fi film aesthetic, perfect for posters, punchy social media content, and digital marketing campaigns. The holographic vibe of this action is a serious talking point. Number 2. Mixed Media Photoshop Action by 7 Styles. This is a truly unique Photoshop action, incorporating many types of artistic media, from ink splatters to watercolor, pencil lines, and more. You can easily create stunning pieces of art from a simple photo when this effect is applied. Number 1. Cyberpunk Pro Photoshop Actions by Supreme Tones. Cyberpunk is absolutely worthy of taking out the top spot in our 2021 Photoshop Action Countdown. Inspired by futuristic games, dark effects paired with splashes of neon pink and blue create a truly edgy, eye-catching look. We hope you've been able to draw inspiration from the effects on our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Actions for 2021 list. Let us know in the comments if you have a particular Photoshop action in mind to use for your next project. We'd love for you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we promise to keep creating interesting content that's helpful too. The next video has been chosen just for you, so be sure to check it out. Find all the Photoshop actions in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements and allow them to fuel your upcoming designs.